What's up, guys? Welcome back to Avengers. Today I have a treat especial. I finally actually made it out to my local drag strip and actually gotten some footage. Didn't get a whole lot, but enough to get a video of a race between my 1997 Honda Civic named Eleanor and Aaron's 1994 Honda Civic named Frosty. You can check out videos up here. So the first thing I do before we go to the race is I'll wash up Eleanor, get her ready to go. Just look at that beauty. She's so fine. So we go ahead and get it loaded up, head on out to the track. The track's about an hour away from where we're at. We'll go ahead and stop to eat somewhere. It takes about an hour for them to get us our food. So there's another hour wasted, as well as this night the track's actually closing an hour early. So we only get about 2 races in, and it's just enough to put together this little video. But you'll have to suspend some disbelief because the lighting's different at different times and stuff. So you have to just pretend like it's all one race. And then at the end, I'll go ahead and actually show the raw, uncut footage of the race from outside the cars and inside the cars and stuff. But for now, go ahead and just enjoy this beautiful cinematic footage of the most epic race ever. Let's do it.
Coming down under the yard.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that stupid little bit I put together. Basically, we just got 2 runs. We ran against each other both times, and I happened to win both times because, obviously, I'd win. My car is getting ready to go under the knife, actually. I'm going to pull the turbo kit that's on it off and put on a different turbo kit. A little bit bigger turbo, and hopefully make a little bit more power out of it. And then we'll go back. We probably won't go back to the drag strip till next year. Aaron's car actually needs to have some work done as well. It's got some brake issues. E-brake doesn't work. We've got to get that fixed. He's actually got a disc brake swap for the rear that we're going to do at some point. A few other little things here and there. But any of the work that we do, I'm sure you'll see here on the channel. But having said that, go ahead and enjoy the uncut footage from the races that night. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks to my brother for doing the footage outside of the vehicles. It turned out just fine. I would have done better, but it was fine. I have a few other videos in the works. One, I've got a new car. Not quite ready to show you guys, but it'll probably be coming pretty soon. Been driving the truck. It's been great. Aside from dying on me the other day in the drive-through line, but what can you do? If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think about the race. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my Instagram. Thanks, guys.